block your eye with a $100 bill.
You look confused.
I'm not confused at all. I'm not an idiot.
I never said you were. Like my new truck?
Yeah, I gathered that.
Let's go.
Hey, Junior. I'm coming. You ruined my shot.
Hold on.
Just like that.
I like your finishing move.
You like that?
Yeah, we're good there.
Okay. Here, you got it for a second?
Oh, man.
Yeah, we're right up against the front.
You're there.
Yeah, we're
I
on
feel so
it.
rednecky right
Yeah,
now.
we're in. Okay.
It's longer than the Mustang.
Yeah, we're in.
This is so Bruce County of us.
Gotta have it done somehow, don't we?
This is how we roll.
It's on.
Keep on trucking. Make it for the camera.
That's how we do. Get a motor in her.
Can I shut it off now?
And we have to say that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah, you had to. I had to do that today. I walked over. I'm like, I better do this before I go. You know, that ain't going anywhere.
Also, I'm standing with T-Rex arm. Did you see my T-Rex arm? T-Rex arm. Don't know what I'm doing.
Right? Yeah, I go right underneath of it. No, it's done. All right.
Missed my T-Rex arm.
So that's good. So yeah, I managed to call in some favors from some of the boys in the city, and Adam Lewis from Kentuck Lifestyle and T-Brad Fab. We've got an engine for this thing, so we've got that figured out. It's nothing crazy. It's just a nice little 289 small block. I believe it came from Daryl's place out of an old Bronco, almost the same year of this truck. It's a 72 Ford. So we have tranny, we have a ton of parts, we have engine. So we're going to be picking all that up in a couple of weeks. We're going to help Adam get the engine out of this thing, and we're going to get another motor into it. So yeah, super fun. Thanks for running the camera, babe.
Hey, no problem. She works hard
Yeah.
for her money.
What's that?
I got a big old box of parts to dig up for you too.
A big old box of parts.
Big old box of parts.
What kind of big old box of parts?
Like a blue box. It's large with stuff in it.
Not to be mistaken with blue balls.
No, different.
Nobody likes blue balls,
Not really.
but they like blue boxes.
Perfect. She's on, baby. She's on. I'm not looking out there.
Oh yeah,
Like a sexy bitch.
with a bicycle. Hold up.
Share the road. There's a bee. Oh my god, there's a bee. Ah!
You're okay. You go. Just duck your head.
You block your eye with a $100 bill.
You look confused.
I'm not confused at all. I'm not an idiot.
I never said you were. Like my new truck?
Yeah, I gathered that. The second,
Just now?
well,
Oh, I never told her. I just said we were coming here to give you a hand, and I haven't let on that I was actually buying said truck. But we need a truck to do truck things instead of borrowing the fucking in-laws truck.
I like to do truck things.
Yeah, it's to do truck
I've heard you
things.
say that as well.
We just needed to do truck things like I did
truck
today.
things,
I wouldn't
yeah.
have to borrow Judy's good truck when I could run this.
That's why I got the Mustangs to do Mustangs.
that's good. You can do truck things.
Oh yeah, we better strap the rest of this down.
My favorite sticker.
Finally gets down.
You got to leave that on there. The dump 'em out sticker.
Dump them out. I mean, I wouldn't change anything.
No, it's perfect.
So, cat's out of the bag. This is what I was talking about earlier that is following us home. 71 Ford F100, small block Ford, all original, Saskatchewan truck from out west. And Adam has had this for about 3 years. He's been driving it, enjoying it. And harmonic balancer, which is actually in the bed of the truck, right here, actually let go on the motor that's in there. So we have a whole nother small block ready to go for it from the boys down in the city. So we're gonna do that, but he's gone through and done everything. New tires, new brakes, all new stuff and everything. So it's all been certified, on the road, ready to go, which is awesome. So plan for this thing is literally to put the motor in, go get it certified from our buddy around the corner, get that done, and then start fading in here and here with this color, with the seafoam, and then start doing some lettering, door logo, lettering down the side. One side I think is going to be for the pinstriping and sign lettering stuff, so pinstriping, lettering, gold leaf, blah, 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 and then the YouTube thing. And then on the other side is going to be the media side and filming and all that stuff. So this is what we've been talking about, and this is what we've been saying it might follow us home, and we didn't tell Rebecca. And we didn't tell Rebecca.
No.
We might have to take her for breakfast tomorrow when we take the trailer back. So. But she will learn how to drive this truck. It is a 4-speed on the tree. Oh, it's on the floor. That's not factory in this thing, is it? Oh, okay. So it's not on the tree. Oh, so this will be easy for her to figure out and learn then. Okay, cool.
Thanks, guys.
So yeah, you'll have no problem. The first vehicle I ever learned to drive was Dad's 63 Chev C10, which is why I want it back. And it was a 3 on the tree in the backyard, and I learned how to push that clutch in, and that was a nightmare. So anybody can do it, trust me. So that's awesome. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I need, we'll have to do a bill of sale too.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
It stays in the family then. So
Yeah,
that's
stays
good.
here. He can use it anytime he needs to use it.
I'll take the donkey.
All right, well that just about does it.
All the nickels and dimes and stuff on the floor.
She's picking everything up.
Also, there's
Those are the perks. Those are the perks.
Toonies behind the seat.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Some toonies, so there's $8 there. All right, all right.
Business cards in the glove box.
Excellent. Motivated sellers.
There's tissues for sure.
Yeah, so cool. Well, this is exciting.
There's a toonie in the box too. It's like paying for itself. It's like a
See,
free truck.
and people say, why are you always doing car stuff? What are you doing? I'm like, well, doing car stuff with your car friends and doing hoodlum shit is fun.
I'm actually really surprised that there's not a bunch of Tim Hortons cups in the back.
I just cleaned them out.
You clean them out.
Yeah, it was pretty full.
There's a lot of shit in here.
Yeah.
There was a lot of shit there? Yeah.
Yeah.
Like 4 minutes before you guys got here.
Yeah, you still didn't. I was here a week ago or 3 nights ago, and you said to clean it out.
Also, like, I'm sure there's stuff under the seat that I might need back.
No, dude, you got to come out and get the motor anyway, so it doesn't. I'm not worried.
That's fair.
Yeah, it's not going anywhere. Cool. All right. Well, that's awesome. So today's been a day. So we got a lot of stuff done. Rebecca's smiling and a little bit more happy now after that.
You know.
Adam's happy. He's got his Mustang home. I'm happy. I've got a truck. We're keeping this thing local and we're keeping it in the family. Rebecca, smile.
I don't.
Yeah, it's not going to somebody else. It's staying where it needs to stay.
The old inbred car collecting.
The old inbred car club. The old inbred car club. The old ICC.
Yep.
Hey? Perfect. All right. Well, that was great. So thank you for coming along for that ride. We'll give you an update more as we get into this. We're going to be going down and getting the motor and all the other parts for it. It's going to be exciting, and then we'll bring you along for the lettering and everything. So, but it's been a long day. We want to just get done with this and be over. We're finished. It's time to go home. It's time to get something to eat. It's time to call it a night, and I want to go to bed. Rebecca's had a long day, and we need to shut this down. So thank you, everybody, for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we will catch you in the next one. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Sweet. Ciao.